Hello children, how are you? So today I am going to continue with the same lesson, that is Introduction to Sociology. So sociology deals with the human behavior, human society, human life. So today my topic is origin of sociology. So the beginning of sociology as an independent and separate field was during middle of 19th century. It became a specific science in the later 50 years. Though sociology is different from other social science, are different from sociology like history, political science, economy and psychology are different and they have longer history. So they are different from the sociology and they were recognized as sociology in 18th and 19th century due to the industrial and the French Revolution. And sociology is social and religion movements, reform movements, Renaissance, other movements is in the origin of sociology. So this is about the origin of sociology. So once again I am going to tell you all children, sociology, the beginning of the sociology as an independent and separate field was during the middle of 19th century. It became a specific science in the later 50 years. Though other social sciences like history, political science, economic and psychology have longer history, they were recognized during the 18th and 19th century due to the industrial and the French Revolution. And social, religion, reform movements, Renaissance and other movements in the origin of the sociology. Do you know what you mean by Renaissance? Renaissance is called as a modern period. It is called as a modern age or a modern period where we can see each and everything was new. And the people started adopting the new things like art, literature, music. So in these politics, in these and all things we can see the new. And the scope of sociology. Do you know what I mean by scope? Scope is nothing but in the field, in the area, they have given the importance to the sociology. So in which areas they have given importance to sociology? So sociology studies the human society, the human social life like a social relationship, social institutions and the social process. In all these fields they have given the scope. This is called as the scope of sociology. Now next comes to the nature of sociology. So here we are seeing the 5 natures. The first one, that is in a sociology, is a social science, not a physical science. Means what? It studies the human life, social life and activities of human society. It studies the social life. What studies? The sociology is a social science, not a physical science. That means it studies the social life and activities of the human society. The next point is that is sociology is a definitive study, not the directive study. So sociology studies the society as it is, the human society as it is, what it studies, and it never engages in how it should be studied. So sociology is a definitive study, not a directive study. That means it studies the human society as it is and it never engages in how it should be studied. Means how the society, how the human behavior it is, like the sociology is studies. The next one, that is sociology is a pure science, not an applied science. That means it has interested in objective study that result the formation of empirical body knowledge only, and it has no interest in the applied science and which is interested in the doing experiments. That is, sociology is a pure science, not an applied science. In this, it studies, it has interested in objective study and result in the formation of empirical body and knowledge only. It is not an applied science which interested in doing the experiments. The next point is the fourth one, that is sociology is a intangible study, not a tangible study. So it has interest in forms and patterns of human events. So it has interest in forms and patterns of human events. It is not interest in any specific battles or revolutions like history. So this is called as sociology is an intangible, not a tangible study. The next one, sociology is a general science, not a special science. Among all sociology is a general, interested in involving human beings, human life, like social, religion, politics, and economy, moral and intellectual objects. So intellectual objects. So this is about the sociology is the general science. It's not a special science. So once again I am going to repeat you children, that is the origin of sociology. The beginning of sociology as an independent and separate field was during the middle of 19th century. It became an specific science in the later 50 years. Though other social science like history, political science and economic and psychology have longer history, they were recognized as during the 18th and 19th century due to the industrial and the French Revolution. And social, religion, reform movements, Renaissance and other movements in the origin of the sociology. The scope of sociology. So in which field, in which area the sociology is getting the scope. That is in the it studies the human beings as it is and the human social life. It is in the field of social relationships, social institutions and the social process. So next comes to the nature of sociology. Means sociology is a social science, not a physical science. That means sociology it studies the human the social life. It studies the social life and attracts it studies the social life and activities of the human society. So how it is studied, that is a social science. So sociology is a social science and not a physical science. That means it studies the social life and activities of the human society. The next one, that is sociology is a definitive study, not an directive study. That means it studies the society as it is. It never engages in how it should be studied. The next one, that is sociology is a pure science, not an applied science. That means it studies, it has interest in objective study and result the formation of empirical body and knowledge. It is not an applied science which is doing the experiments, which is interested in doing the experiment. This is about the pure sociology is a pure science, not an applied science. Then the next one, sociology is an intangible study, not a tangible study. That means it has interested in the forms and pattern of human events. It is not interested in any battles and all and revolution like history. The next fifth point is sociology is a general science, not a physical science. So among all the social science, sociology is general, interacting, involving human beings in the social, religion, politics and economic, moral and intellectual aspects. So this is about the today's topics. So tomorrow I am going to continue with this lesson. I hope so you all understood this lesson, children. Thank you.